reversal in the DMI, can't do anything there. For those working in the cannabis space, ACB is sideways and CGC is pretty strong. It's already well extended beyond the plus 2 SD, not doing anything there. Netflix, nothing. So Halliburton's come all the way back, pulling in this daily chart that we were looking, the 5-minute chart from this morning when it opened up at 3180. And then, by the time that we even started setting our alerts, it had already taken out the basically the entire gap, and now it's trading all the way down at 30.90. So a 90-cent move. Remember that is fundamentally driven on the Iranian import import waivers.